Ito naman ho mga projects natin related to public transportation. Yan, halimbawa, pagbibigay ng pagpapaunlad ng ating train systems, mga rails, the EDSA busway, pagpapa-improve ng operations, ng service. Is this a signal of our broader national transport policy na gusto ho natin maging commuter-centric na tayo at hindi na car-centric masyado?
Wala na, I think yung tawag mo car-centric. We've taken it as far as we can. And we've seen examples around the world. Yung mga lugar na talagang sumobra ng traffic dahil lahat ng tao, walang public transport, walang bus, walang tren, walang subway. Eh, siyempre lahat kailangan bumili ng sasakyan. Bibili ng motor, bibili ng auto. Kaya nagkaka-traffic ng husto. So that's why we are continuing to make it more efficient. We are continuing to add assets as we do. Not just additional lines, which of course we are doing, pero pati na yung rehabilitate nung tinatawag na dalian cars na hindi nagamit ng gaano katagal mula nung nabili. 10 years old already. Hindi pa nagamit. Ngayon pa lamang nagagamit. Inayos-ayos. Pwede naman palang i-modify para magamit dito sa Pilipinas. So that will be added capacity. Pati mga kalsada, ginagawa natin. Ngayon lang tayo magkakaroon na tayo ng subway. Ngayon pa lang. This is the first time that we have a subway here in the Philippines. These are solutions so that life will be a little easier, so that life will be more convenient, going to work. Ang usually sa planning, dapat ang commute should not be more going to work at saka pag-uwi. Dapat hindi yung one way hindi dapat lumampas sa 1 oras. That's the goal.